Ya, apa kabar? Good morning to all the listeners tuning this morning on Beat FM. Eleanor, ang na akademis. Awa, tapi ko kamutsikin
na my
iyo.
I'm just trying to
Manipulate.
create ati konto na iwalwale po ni Tumbales and
Iya.
why you want to ask the question?
Before, every morning your hands go like this, like
Right,
dancing,
right,
like
yes.
hula hula
Okay,
and
yeah.
all those stuff.
Because I am
But today,
turning to be a better
baka
woman.
mantuan
Iya.
na
She
liam.
is acting cross ba? Kila kami kani mata-mata?
Iya.
Yeah.
Ta tumbuh tahu.
But the left side is moving,
Yes. Yeah.
whilst the right side is stationed.
Because you told me not to move this arm because there's something wrong with it.
Talo ka ba ko na mati ko ng beka? Ko mati ko daw.
Kadambeka is a kind of sickness that can grow on the surface.
Right.
He will grow under the surface. And mali wani ruwa na wano baka may mbaso nga may lesu ni sala
Iyo.
Right.
ni kenda imbuli-mbuli.
Right.
Right.
So where is the lesu ni sala? Only on the under.
Right.
Kana mboto ni tambanda.
All right.
Because niko narai na talenga nambeka nangone kana kino kame kanina China na roba kada ba. Ena sira ni roi dake. Me baka na may nambale to ko lili.
Right.
Ena may lili nga ngo kana bune tu na China.
Wow.
Namboto na.
Okay, all right.
That's why you see them.
Yeah.
You see the bed kona mati kona beka itu mungai kiri wanda.
Right.
Right.
Iya. Tanah bonu.
Dala matebani ni ba kita ko eh?
Iya, ndau tiko na kana wa. There is a string
Right.
Oh.
that
Oi.
connect themselves. You need to cut the string.
Okay.
You have to cut the string so that it can not multiply.
Oh,
Cut it with
yeah.
what?
Pero
Scissors?
multiply.
How do we cut it?
You cut it through your hand, your finger.
Okay.
You cut it through your finger. Nalinga mungo mo musuraka mo bomboraka no mu
Right.
gangalo.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Bomboraka.
Right.
Bomboraka na kenawa. If not,
Yeah.
the thing will multiply and cause growing inside
Right.
your surface.
Para na po, iyo. Yabi kami nilo kada na itu kuya na matang di kuwa so bekar tu mat ng ko. How about the boil?
The boil is different.
Yeah.
The boil is can grow
Anywhere.
anywhere,
Right. On your head.
anytime.
Right.
How many types
Anywhere,
of boil?
anytime.
There are different kind of boil.
Right.
Okay, one of boil is called is a tabuti.
Ha?
Na dala bikito sinkila da na dala bikenda wa mbau. O gila ma tabuti. Amo abui. Abui means kona wa nomu wucinilingam. Se wucini yangomu. Ko la ko tani mainga isiga ni mabo bakabinak. Then can cause boil.
Oh.
Okay.
Kona butini
Yeah.
that can cause boil.
Right.
Likewise too kona boil kon dala me kana vindiku.
Yeah, do
Right.
malum sa matang.
Yeah.
Na vindiku saruta. Na vindiku. Na vindiku. Bea ni singa ni laki ni ngosongo ni kong gilia. Gilia and that thing singa ni tatabu kabinaka.
Right.
Kando le baka buna talenga senduka na mata.
Yeah.
Tikumbeka kina na nasa ko na matanggali ko tuna kanibuti na matanda ko.
Kora kan ko
Na
lang.
buluki.
Buluki yo.
Iyo. Na buluki mo.
Sa so na po sa bimbisar sa may tautu na matago.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Na buluki ko ya.
Doti ko iso non rana ndo mate da ka na buluki.
Iya, na buluki.
Uy!
Ya da ka na kaniniu.
Iya, da. Ha?
Da ka na kaniniu.
Kami da kapata pang kurian.
Go kana coconut husks.
Iyo.
Nada pala ko konas kask.
Na.
Na iso ninyo?
Siya ni susoni niyo me dito pa lang ni mata. Go kana wa.
Ko bang tag may mangi-mangi.
Iya, mangi-mangi.
Iyo.
Ya sar ngair ngito ta ka mga mango. Orto may sabsab unto na kor may sabsab pero matay sar kina.
Gori dake.
Siya nga ni dake ngo ke.
Oy,
Erto
sordo
sige
da.
hawlo.
Sordo da buta na podwod ni matabango using the string na wani dulol.
Iya doten ko
Iya.
threading. Go threading. It's called threading.
Iya.
This
Oh,
is
okay.
different.
Okay.
This is
Alright.
different. This is kwanat ko to tubudala.
So tumbudala the
Some use
difference is
tweezers.
this. The difference is this.
Iyo.
Dake ya kona bega ni matamu. Dake ya kona nomol kona tumbalabu.
Right.
Kona kaleka. That is
The buluks.
the buluki.
Oh, okay. Right.
Iya. That one quando ulau total tiko na mata ndo wabu na tiko na
Right.
mila.
Right.
Ndo wabu na nandamu.
Right.
Ndo wabu na talenga na vindiku.
And
That
I
one.
heard that most people who got that is the gang that doesn't sleep at night.
Me wada na mata.
Iyo, bawda na mata eh?
Iyo.
Right.
Deka
Mento
mendo
wir na mate.
ni santo wada na mata because the mother to the eyes need to rest.
Right.
Need to rest need to close while the time of closing.
Iya. Iya.
And I said, sometimes when we are focused on something and we stare, you are causing tiredness to your eyes and his compound.
Iya, dinasar.
Kila?
Dinasar.
Nabuno kita ng matamu. And then mo nang bomba, mo daw sorry ba?
Iya.
Because inside your eyes there is a water. If that water is dry, what will happen? So nangon ko mo bang ko hey samu sinamatago. Because that's why so nangon nidang-idang men daw liwa na mata because the air can dry the water.
Right.
And daw kay mo sinamata, bertain sa mama
Okay.
na mata.
Right.
You see, sometimes when we daw bunto carry and daw yuro tribang ko iliw.
Yeah.
Ngay sumbupan ko sandotan sa mata mo because that's the water is gone.
So the people who are facing this problem this morning, they may see,
Go away.
they can use the Vaseline to oil the like
Don't
the
oil,
engine.
don't oil, don't grease, don't Vaseline.
Yeah.
Your eyes.
Right.
Your eyes is a very miracle.
Alright. What nga Vaseline?
Vaseline takatali sa naman na mata mo kuni lingam mo. Iko rin susamita mo way.
Yeah.
But not in the eyes because the eyes
Siya, but
Infected.
because you're saying the eyes become dry. Why can't you use the oil, the engine oil,
Yeah.
to like may pa katakin na?
iya ay
To wet the eyes.
atu kere may baka nanuminot siguro. Kau jangan kau tali
Yes,
nakam.
this will be a long weekend, and
Yeah.
most people will be drinking grog, waking up late all night, and the tangi is coming. We can face the tangi bata now. So by Monday, people will have dry eyes.
Yes.
So why can't they apply?
Okay, you face yourself into the H2O.
Right.
Daw iro, daw sabata na mata mo. Sometimes when we are in the washroom,
Yeah.
o mentally sisila bathroom, nangon saran daw sisili kirabango. Elebu nangon it's not like the one in the river.
Right.
Mula ko bango iko winri tu ni mata ni lomaniway.
Yeah.
May sabata na mata mo. So nangon ang biltaw kenta sa nga bango mata nga bando you never let your eyes muray the naway.
Direct,
Direct.
Yeah.
Mo bango muray tu loma.
Malatin malum mo
Ha?
Malatin malum sinalo
Kung direkta ka, balita rin lang katalang mata.
Yeah, it will hurt.
Don't direct the water from the up.
Yes,
Eh?
never do that.
Mondaw ray nga bango
Right.
because two in the urban because chlorine to there,
Yeah,
it
true,
caused
Yes.
ice redness,
Right.
just like in the pool,
Yeah.
You have to mendaw ray bango. So nangon nandaw ray lomaniway, mendaw sapa na mata.
Dino sir. Okay, sa to sunod to bitaw.
Ciao.
Back to square one, the boil.
The boil is a kind of boil. Some they bigger,
Right.
some they very smaller. Depend on how you treat them. O ka baka nga susungon ni.
Here.
Ni ko susunga pa binaka, na binaka veiko, ni ko sa susunga pa da, na pakata niko. Kaya baka sa tumbo, if a boil guro yung ano gan, don't ever pinch.
Right.
Wait the time of explodeness. Ni ko sa para rotaki ko, ako sa kayo na nakataka, na para rotaki.
Right.
Oy.
You'll be very angry,
He's a very angry,
Angry bird.
No, it's a
Angry
very
boy.
sickness, yeah.
Yes.
Kung yung kinita,
Yeah.
if not, kaya sa inyo kinita, rokomi ko.
What the muskila sa to maseto na mata na?
Masya na mata
Malak sa tuwa ko,
kami ni ko paano mo yun malakabuwa. Malakabuwa yung balabo na. Yeah.
So the best way to cure the boil is what?
Right.
Okay, the boil,
Even to prevent.
Yeah.
you can prevent the boil.
No, you can.
You can prevent.
Yes.
But sometime it will be they will be coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
But properly,
Yeah.
first of all, the second thing,
Right.
don't rush your body. Mo daw marasta ka pa kaliya. Kila, mo rasta ka tuyan ni don't treat your body a special occasion.
Okay.
Makasulta ka pa binaka na yung
Right.
When you go to the sunlight, karoon na yung
Wash your clothes nicely.
Wash your clothes nicely.
Right. Dried in the sun.
Yes.
Right.
Dry it nicely.
Right.
Sometime the soap we use,
Right.
it can cause
True.
kasi daw mama
Trouble.
na kami sa
Right.
cause trouble into our body.
Yeah.
The lotions, The lotions that we use.
So is it wise while you can feel the mountain still climbing,
Right.
Yeah.
you nip it there in the bud?
Come.
While you can feel
Nip the bud.
the eye of the
Yeah.
the hill,
Right?
you nip it there, or let it grow.
Don't nip.
Eh.
Let it
nip.
grow.
Okay. If you see like this,
Yeah.
imagination,
Yeah.
imagine if the mountain is growing underwood
Yeah.
between dana sangamu se ketemu sana pun
Yeah.
emosi. Some place there's very pain.
Yes.
Especially
On
the
the
stomach.
knee. On the knee also.
The knee.
Oh my
Kuna
God.
isema,
Yeah.
when the knee se punongo
Woo.
mapunongo isa sema is a
Yes.
point that can is a join eh.
Right.
So it will need to move. Kona panoya se menda kumu ndo mga dono musui.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very painful.
But the brother is the bullet is the different one.
Oh, bullet is a different one. Ako ya ka marengeti. He? Na kena marengeti mandang ako hindi kita kana puno mi. Ko ese ni lambe me baka Italia. Marengeti. E kune indrende.
Bullet is special.
Special. He's a very special man.
Have you ever had bullet?
Already. Hey, don't squeeze trauma. E botu sar kami ona serengo ne chone longan ni. Ondingo ba na longan ni. Sampai teman Junior, Simon and Banu be mita sigra, dola bullet spana. Sini rawar.
Ya sana mate pute na bitaw bicara ngono bango bikim ni na itumbu-tumbu dan susu bikata nang kasa dake. Maro churon tembula sampai tila kami ngona ngoni ningun yang ngona.
Dinasara.
Susu churon di sul daku kuni taratunga na linsiniki na nam na bullet ngona.
Iya.
Na sidini. Sidini satu wiko ko ngaya. Sa bullet nga.
Bullet ndo tadi.
Iko keli.
Kelly metito. Ako Kelly metito.
Dasar special flight dari na paling bullet dari subar to likir keli.
Nduka belu-belu asiti. Nduka belu-belu asiti ya.
Ko na special call main buah.
Wala itu.
Mita ko non dan chico, ko tundon mo bebo kaya na buni mate ke chico. Wele, ya bikin na kanta kita sama na kan na buni long weekend go.
Marami tandalo ko.
Iya, long weekend go, marucun nonton bul, nonton bali, nonton yau. Na buni bikas do yada kina, pakatal kana bi puno so di pakatal kana, na pakabi bici biru luben sa kire mentang kangaru ni tum tapi sus nguna ko suka ko ne wele o chalis tal ski bale tarung ni tor bici nani erto ngone ada buri ki pakatal so tu bola ngoni sala se bola ngatini wai ber nang karu ni no buni tikina era no gitu tungan mata di ko kimdraw woni bina ka kimdraw
Iya, ma wani ni bina ka weekend. Ko na lebu na be ka ndor makatu na matani be Xiaomi le weekend na be tu na be ka so.
Di na sar.
Sana nubir na lubenta na
Nawonga talaga.
Nawonga. Ano mo na matawali ko kito way nunu. Ang karab tu na ba misule na singi mataka ang karab tu na one love ka ba. Besuri tira rambut tu weekend ako ngalala ko beli to wala na sudu ni way nunu.
Iya.
Do na mbaki yang ko na mbaki no tin ka bitu na fit ko areta na Facebook.
Iya.
Iya, lito wala manda sudu ni way
Kimdo ndo sar ngam do nga
Ndu ako ang
kimdo
Kita udah dua.
Nakor-
Sing sudu yo.
sote
Naka sing sudu.
iya
Kita udah baruan kina. Kambang angko kita sangol.
kito ba do sa tiga bunang bongi
Ya.
o atu
Kito
ito
undua na matakale ko na ruwa ko ay ngarabi ay one love. Ko ando tali niya kabi na bitu da kasar may berto bro wetana.
iya
Na ito sota na boy sila matati minikan tam.
do no binaka wa do binaka go kur mundu
Ella the money.
De Messi